And I'm also, before we get up out of here, I'm also gonna give you 4 little tips, man, that can help you throughout the week, man, to make 2 racks a week. Whatever city and state that you are in, they always say, oh, I live out here in this market. Do you think I can make $2,000? Let's talk about it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, man, y'all see the title, man. How exactly do I earn $2,000 a week? And here are some strategies, tips, all that stuff. First and foremost, if you want to make $2,000, like I said, man, that's $285 a day for 7 days. Not too shabby. So look at it from that perspective. So you don't have to always do these crazy hours and stuff like y'all think. I would say just do the crazy hours up front so you can know your market and so you can get the flow of things. And if you're trying to focus on declining this trip, declining that trip, man, you overcomplicating things, man. So let's just simplify it, break stuff down bit by bit so it's easy to digest, you know, because y'all got little baby stomachs. And yeah, we're gonna have a good time with this. Tip number 1. You want to make sure that you probably gonna have to drive at least 60 hours. Sometimes you could probably doing less depending on incentives and stuff, but most of the time you probably have to at least put in 60 hours or more a week. So do you want to put 60 hours in, or do you want to be a little baby? That's a lot. Choice is yours. The next tip is you want to make sure you K.T.M. Not the dirt bike, you know, not the motorcycle K.T.M. No, K.T.M. When I say K.T.M, kill the Mondays. Mondays is a very crucial day because it's the start of the week. You know, so even if you have a bad week, you know, it's a whole new week, man. So you got to get out there and kill the Monday, because this could be a big indicator of how your week gonna turn out. If you have a good Monday, more than likely you will want to keep that momentum going on throughout the week. Kill the Monday, right? Let's see where I'm at for this Monday. Kill the Monday. What that say? $411. And that's Monday. So y'all know, there ain't no cap. What that say? How many hours? 12 hours, 24 minutes. Yeah. So I killed the Monday. So I'm already at $411. Not too shabby for the weekend. It's just Monday. So it's gonna be easier for me to keep that momentum going on throughout the week. And it's also gonna make making $2,000 a little bit easier for you. So kill the Mondays. The next tip, like I always say, man, early start. Start as early as possible. So today my alarm went off like around 4:19 a.m. Yes, I always set my alarms to like odd numbers. I don't know why, it makes me happy. So I woke up like around 4:19. So I got started like around 5:15 a.m. Yeah, so I started like around 5:15. That's the type of times you want to start, man, because it's easy to get that momentum going. And it's easy to feel good about yourself because you get an early start. So within 6 hours, you know, it's 11 o'clock and I got half my day done. It's not even noon. So you want to keep that in mind, man, because you don't want to be out there all night. So I'm telling you, the later you start, it's gonna fuck your whole day up and it's gonna fuck your psychology up, trust me. It's totally different from a psychological perspective if you start at 4 in the morning or 5 in the morning compared to starting at 8 or 9 in the morning. It's totally different, man, I'm telling you. So get that early start, man. You have less drivers out, less traffic. You have a higher opportunity going to the airport, getting those longer rides. So yeah, man, take advantage of that. And the last tip I like to share with y'all, man, you gotta get these push-ups in, man. You know, push-ups is good for your mentality and good for your mindset. I'm not saying it just to brag, but it's really good for you. I mean, if you're getting anywhere 200, 400, 600 plus push-ups a day, over time, you know, you're gonna start seeing your body make changes. This is how you do it. Easy work. And it's gonna be good for your mindset because you're gonna feel good about yourself and you're gonna wanna keep that consistency going. Because the more push-ups you do, you're gonna start seeing those cuts, those muscles showing, then that's gonna make you wanna eat better. But yeah, you wanna include all of those things, man. Like I said, it's just a mindset. It's not about, oh, what trip should I decline, or what trip should I climb, and what trips and this, and do you chase surges? Nah, man, chase that mindset, man. You gotta work on yourself mentally, man, because a lot of y'all are so mentally weak. Y'all are lazy, y'all don't wanna work. Y'all just want the quick fix, y'all just want the answers given to y'all, but y'all don't wanna pay the price. Nope, I'm not letting y'all get that shit. You're gonna have to pay the price. You will have to pay the price, damn it. Yes, you will, man. But it's gonna be good for you. And over time, man, it's gonna get easier and easier. 60 hours a week is a lot easier than what y'all can even imagine, man. Especially if you start at the proper time and if you schedule a day properly, 60 hours would be pretty good throughout the work week. But yeah, man, that is pretty much it. I hope these tips, tricks, and motherfucking backflips help y'all on y'all journey to making $2,000. I don't see too many people talking about this who are actually proving that they doing what they're talking about. So yeah, man, who better than Speed, man? And if y'all think I'm capping or y'all don't like my approach, hey, that's perfectly fine. Just go to the 2 Racks a Week playlist and listen to those men and women who have made $2,000. Listen to what they value. Listen to their mindset, how they did it. And you will hear and see some of the same similarities, commonalities. Most people are like, oh, well, you know, I got it because I was on my calculator and, you know, I just worry about depreciation and, you know, let me use the quadratic formula. And it doesn't happen, man. Most people said they got tired of their situation. They wanted better. They knew that they were capable of doing much better and much greater things. So they went after it. They stopped making excuses. They held themselves accountable. And they actually tried, man. They actually tried. Most of them probably fell short like the first couple times that they attempted. But hey, in that whole process, they was making more than what they was making before they even tried. Then they finally hit their goal. And I'm pretty sure that it changed them forever. You know, it's gonna change you forever, man. And cause if you like me, before even driving, I have never seen a check from a week that was $2,000 within a week, man, prior to driving. And that's probably where most of y'all are at right now in life. So if you transition to this, man, you could do it. You could definitely do it, man. You got 84 hours in a week. $285 a day is all it takes, or $333.33 for 6 days. So yeah, man, there's plenty of ways to skin a cat. That's all I really have to say, man. Like the video, comment, share this video. Let me know what y'all think about like these tips or mindset hacks. And yeah, share the video. Oh yeah, subscribe to the new channel too. But yeah, man, that's all I really have to say. You know, I decided to go no glasses just because I thought it'd be a little bit, you know, more serious. So just want to go bareface. But that's all I really have to say, ladies and gentlemen. Get out there, grind, try your best, and good luck. Guitar, piano. 60 hours, 2 racks a week. Remember that. Holla back. Peace.